Hey guys, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and today what I want to try to show you, I want to do a refashioning project, I guess. I've never really done something like this, so I want to try. I've got this turtleneck here, and I like the color. It's actually a really good quality. It's from Talbot's. I want to try to make this into sort of a tank. So I've got this tank here, and I want to see if I can change this turtleneck into a top like this. It would be a lot more useful for me, and I think it would fit better. I have a couple of pictures that I took of what this looks like on. First of all, I know you got to start with something that actually is fitting. So this one fits, but like I said, I want to try to change it around. So I want to see how it goes, and I'll take you along and show you my project and see how it all works out. Now I should go ahead and take these tags off, but I'm going to see if I can just avoid that and kind of mark it and cut. Now there is a stain on the sleeve here, which is the reason I want to take the sleeves off. Otherwise I might have chosen to do something like a short sleeve shirt, but with the stain on the sleeve, I decided it's better. Let me just cut it off and see how it's going to go. This is a Lands' End tank top. I don't know if they actually make them like this anymore. This is one of my favorite ones, and I like it because shoulder strap is wider. It's not like a skinny shoulder strap, so I actually kind of like that. But I need to mark where I'm going to cut. It's all about taking a chance, right? If it doesn't work, then that's fine. It's an experiment. Sometimes experiments don't work. Sometimes they work great, sometimes they don't work at all. Okay, there we are so far. So I showed you that fits. I mean, it's very simple so far. This is 2 layers. This is the neck, the turtle part of the top. And what I'm thinking is I might go ahead, open this up, since like I said, it's folded over, and maybe then I can use this for binding, at least on the neck. So this is 2 layers. I'm just going to cut off the part that's sewn there together, and then I can see if I can stretch this out and make binding for the neck. And I don't know if I have enough of this for the sleeve or armhole area. Otherwise I'll have to use the sleeves that I cut off. Opened up that seam, and now I'm going to actually just cut off the serged part there. So I'm going to measure this neckline on the pink one that I have. Because I know with these 2 strips together that it's going to be too long, longer than what I need. You know, you can always cut stuff off, but once you cut too much, it's a little hard sometimes to put anything back. So here I am attaching the 2 pieces together, and then what I will do is actually fold that in half, wrong sides together, and attach it right side to right side on the actual top. That's what I'm doing here. So I basted this on. I did 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. So I've completed the refashioning project. As I said, this is my first time doing it. So I wanted to do something, or to try something really simple. It turned out okay. I think there are things that I would do differently the next time. Now, normally this would only have taken a few hours, I think, to do it, but I basically worked on it over, I would say, like a day and a half. That was because I was filming. So that always adds a lot more time. But I think you could do something like this in a few hours. But I would have honestly preferred if I could have kept it as, or made it a short sleeve top. And the reason I didn't is because there was like it looked like a rust stain, because I had pre-washed everything, and it looked like there was some kind of a rust stain or something on the sleeve. I could have kept it just for the purpose of, just giving it a try and seeing how it would go. But since I wanted to try to do something that I might actually wear, I went ahead and just cut off the sleeves. That's why I did that. But I think if I were to do this again, I would prefer something that was short sleeve and have a little different fit, maybe a bit longer, because I do like my t-shirts longer, a bit longer than what you see in the finished product here. But, overall, I think it went well. As I said, this is something I've been wanting to try, and I've just never done it. Now, I think I would like to maybe try something where I'm taking one thing and making it into something completely different. We'll see how that goes. But like I said, I just wanted to keep things really simple. It does fit pretty good. And so for that, it's something that I can use and get some use out of, with a tank like that style with the wider straps. I actually like that, because what I can do is they actually work well even into the fall, wearing it under a jacket. So it can be a lot more useful for me, at least, than the traditional tank top. So that's why I like the wider straps. To me, it's just a bit more comfortable. But, it worked. So I can't complain too much about it. And like I said, I wanted to give it a try, and I did. So if you have any questions or comments about anything, if you have any helpful hints for the next time around, please leave them down below in the comment section. But I do thank you all for watching. I appreciate your time. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.